Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you how you can change the interface language in the Brave browser really quickly. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the Brave browser on your device, for example on your mobile device or on your computer for instance. And after that, click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your home screen and head over to your browser settings by clicking on settings here at the bottom of that drop-down menu. After that, head over to the languages section here on the left sidebar. And here guys, you can add more languages than just English. English is usually the default language here in Brave browser, but you can add more languages like, I don't know, French, Italian, Filipino, Hindi, by clicking on add languages here and by looking for your preferred language. And after that guys, you can also make your preferred language the interface language or the language in which Brave browser will be displayed by clicking on these three dots here to the right and by selecting display Brave in this language. Brave will ask you to restart the Brave browser, and after that your browser will be displayed in your preferred language. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.